welcome back to my channel. I am getting ready for the hair show, teach my very first wig class, so I'm excited. I'm about to get my makeup done, waiting on my mom, and I gotta go get some cash from Wells Fargo, but I'm gonna let y'all see. Stay tuned. So typically every time I have an event, I have cupcakes available. So we're headed to Walmart to get cupcakes. I think it's funny because I'm wearing a chef jacket, a pastry chef jacket, whatever. I'm getting cupcakes from Walmart. Get my makeup done at McView, so I'll let y'all see the aftermath. So the makeup is done. We are, look at my makeup, look at my mannequin. My makeup artist actually did my makeup for my mannequin right there. But we are headed there now, so I'm excited. All right, I made it. I am here. I got all my goodies right here, my mannequin, and I'm waiting on my mom so she can bring the rest of the stuff. Okay, so this is the class schedule, and there I go right there. Getting to it. This is my assistant for the day. Get to these vibes. And I got headbands for my models right here. She got her instructor assisted wristband and VIP. Got little goodies in here.
Yeah, some nice goodies.
Ooh, okay. Come through, Mom. Let's go. So, my mom, she forgot where the car was parked at. Had to walk in the sun. Hope my wig didn't melt off on my makeup. But we're about to go inside of the exhibit to just catch all the vibes. And then we'll see you guys later. Well, time for class.
Let's take it in to see what we're doing.
Alright, let's get to it together. Doing some demos, pro definition, black girl magic, stripping. Ooh, TJ. Okay, he's over there getting it in. Here in the empty classroom, about to set up. We just put the tablecloth on there, so I gotta use my creativity, make it look interesting. Who has ever gotten 50 inches of braids done? You have. Okay. Mom, she gets a little surprise right here in the denim. She's got 50 inches of braids done, so we want to commend her for her patience. How long did that take? A minute, right? About 15 hours, maybe? I got the treats up here, Mom. Treats up here. It's a little self-care goodies. And see, the thing about it is, I don't have 15 hours to spend in the light salon. So I got a wig to do that, right? I just pop this wig on and what about my business? Let me just get it. Here you go, Mom. Okay, thank you. Just thought I would. How I do first. Bakery babe up here, Miss Katie, come right up here. I'm sorry, hey, Katie. I'm sorry, Alexa. Okay. Sorry. You're right. God, thank you for melting this lace within the time that we have. Amen.
Amen.
All right. Take it off. All right. Just gonna be careful with this, right? Don't pull on it.
Okay.
All right. What lace? What lace? Where? Period.
Oh.
Okay.
Wow. Maybe knew what she was when I came and got slayed like a motherfucking best.
Period. Thank you.
The wigs online I was looking at are those HD? Are
The wigs that I make, yes. The wigs
Okay.
on Amazon, you gotta read the details.
No, I was talking about your wigs.
Yes.
I was trying to because I want to get me like
Yeah.
a collection of wigs. I'm on my third wig now,
Yeah.
so I want to get some more wigs.
Okay. Y'all got you. You let me know when you're ready.
Oh, yeah.
Give you a discount for coming to the class.
Oh, really? Yay! Yes, I'm ready.
Okay.
Whoa.
Well,
With the application though, like it's like
Right.
like yeah.
exactly.
I was like, you did
Oh
that
baby,
so
that thing come out your
fast.
scalps. Yes.
What time is it?
15 minutes.
Both
How did you
Let's
do
give me
that?
class.
Like,
Quick and easy, right? They gotta give us- Alright, so the class is over. My heart is so full. I was a little nervous at first because the lights were messing up, but I did it, y'all. I did it. I want to say thank y'all for watching this. Let this be encouragement. I gotta fix my hair and I gotta take a deep breath because I'm hella hot. I'm a little hot, okay? But yes, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's time to come to Milk and Honey. Get into it, yeah.
come on, ladies, come on.
Excited.
What juices y'all want? Cranberry, pineapple, orange?
I'm gonna get pineapple.
Pineapple. Pass it off in time.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. We gonna wait for the part. What? We just finished the class. Period. Get into it. What lace? What lace? That's on my nose. Okay. Anyways, yeah, get into it. Yes, avocado toast. Get into it. She better smear. Come through with the smear. Come through with the smear. And she gonna put a little shrimp on it. Okay. Oh, let's see. Get a little crust off your lip right down on the edge. Okay, there we go. How it tastes? Yeah? Let me see. I mean, get into a shrimp and grits, no sausage. Get into it. My sister got the fried salmon. This is a successful class at the hair show. Yes, get into it.